Which famous actor provided the voice of Woody in Toy Story? Tom Hanks, Tim Allen, Robin Williams, Jim Carrey. The correct answer is Tom Hanks. The first hard rock cafe opened in 1971 in which city? New York, London, Los Angeles, Chicago. The correct answer is London. Which gemstone is famous for displaying a star-like pattern called asterism? Emerald, sapphire, ruby, opal. The correct answer is ruby. Before moving to the United States, Albert Einstein lived in which country? Austria, Switzerland, Germany, France. The correct answer is Germany. Which day of the week is commonly considered the most productive at work according to workplace studies? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The correct answer is Tuesday. Crepuscular animals are most active during which period of the day? Midnight, midday, dawn and dusk, late afternoon. The correct answer is dawn and dusk. Klondike is a well-known version of which classic card game? Hearts, poker, solitaire, rummy. The correct answer is solitaire. Which Olympic sport requires athletes to wear a finger tab and an arm guard? Fencing, archery, shooting, javelin. The correct answer is archery. If you're looking at the astrological calendar, which zodiac sign comes right before Aquarius? Sagittarius, Capricorn, Pisces, Gemini. The correct answer is Capricorn. The Toll House brand is famous worldwide for inventing what baked good? Brownies, pancakes, chocolate chip cookies, blueberry muffins. The correct answer is chocolate chip cookies. In Greek mythology, what creature has the upper body of a human and the lower body of a horse? Minotaur, satyr, centaur, griffin. The correct answer is centaur. What is the capital city of Samoa, country in the central South Pacific Ocean? Kigali, Thimphu, Apia, Belmopan. The correct answer is Apia. What is the title of the autobiography written by actress and director Mindy Kaling? Is Everyone Hanging Out Without Me? Extraordinary, Ordinary People. My Story. So Far, So Good. The correct answer is Everyone Hanging Out Without Me? How many laws of thermodynamics exist? 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct answer is 4. Which muscle does most of the work when you perform a squat? Gluteus maximus, hamstrings, quadriceps, calves. The correct answer is quadriceps.